In this video, I'm going to talk about all of the accessories I bought for my new MacBook Pro because this is the first time I'm switching over to Thunderbolt 3. I'm going to put a link of all of the accessories that I bought in the description of this video. My first purchase is the palm rest protector that's supposed to protect the palms from getting all dirty. In my previous MacBook Pros that I've had, the palms get dirty the fastest, second to the keyboard. Installation guide, palm rest, instructions, right, left. Next, I got the Case Buddy Trackpad Protector. This is a clear plastic that's supposed to cover up the trackpad because the trackpad gets dirty too. Ooh, I get two. That's nice. Here's the Ghost Cover Premium Ultra Thin Keyboard Protector. Then I got the iBlazon Halo Hard Shell Protective Case. This is the black version. All those accessories look pretty cool. Now I'm going to go into the dongles and adapters that I need to adapt the USB-C to other things. But first, I purchased a Genius power adapter. This was quite affordable compared to the other adapter. This one comes with the USB-C cable and this long power cord. This is nice. This is how I wish the MacBook came in, but I'm gonna test this out. I'm sure this works. If this doesn't work, I'll make another video on this not working, but I'm assuming this is gonna work. Alright, I got an update on this Genius MacBook Pro 2018 charger. It does not work. It charges a little bit, but then the power goes in and out from battery to AC wall power, and it is not a consistent charge. There's something going on here that does not work. I don't know if I got a lemon or if this is the way all of this product is, but this one that I have in the link in the description does not work consistently for a MacBook Pro 2018. Here's the... Why do you make a font that I can't even read? Charzen Pro? Oh, Chargen Pro. Chargen Pro. Alright. 3 USB 3 ports. Another USB-C. SD card, micro SD, and HDMI. Here's a second dongle, a Moken hub. You got 2 USB 3s, micro SD and SD card slot, HDMI, and that's it. I got 2 because one I'm going to keep at home, and then another one I am going to keep in my bag that I'm going to travel with. Then lastly, I have the Syntec USB-C to USB smaller adapters. These ones are pretty cheap because they came 2 in a pack. You'll find these cost about $10, $10 to $15, all the way up to like $25. But I found these 2 for, I think they're about $10. I might just attach these directly to my most used USB devices. That way I don't always have to remember to have USB-C. So those are all the accessories that I got from my new MacBook Pro. Again, I'm going to leave links to all of these products in the description.